Are you tired of struggling with spreadsheets and Word documents to organize your data? Canva has the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to effortlessly create stunning tables that not only look professional, but also help you present your information in a clear and concise way. Get ready to level up your design game with Canva's easy-to-use table features. You can kickstart your design journey by selecting a pre-made Canva template that aligns with your project's goals, or you can embark on a blank canvas and craft your design from scratch. To get started, choose a Canva template or create a new design that best suits your needs. To add a table to your Canva design, navigate to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. Search for Tables and click on See All to view the available table options. You'll find 3 distinct table styles with 5 different color schemes. For this demonstration, I'll select the first style. Position the table in the top left corner of the page, aligning it with the page margins. Then, stretch the table diagonally to the bottom right corner of the page to fill the entire space. To add rows to your table, select the Any row. A plus sign will appear on the right side. Click on the plus sign twice to insert 2 new rows below the table. Once you've added the rows, adjust the table's height to ensure it aligns with the page margins. To add columns to your table, simply select the column header at the top of the table. A plus sign will appear. Click this sign repeatedly to add as many columns as you need to your design. It's that easy. Resizing columns or rows is simple. To adjust a column's width, click on the separator between the column you want to change and the one next to it. Once selected, drag the separator left or right to resize the entire column. Release the mouse when you've reached the desired width. Merging columns and rows is straightforward. To merge columns, select 3 cells in a column and right-click. Choose Merge Cells from the context menu. To merge rows, follow the same process by selecting 3 cells in a row and right-clicking. To add text to a cell, simply double-click on it and start typing. The top context toolbar provides a variety of text formatting options. Adjust the font size using the plus or minus signs and change the horizontal alignment with the alignment icon. For precise spacing, you can adjust both letter spacing and vertical alignment within the cell, choosing from top, bottom, or center options. To customize your table's appearance, you can easily adjust the cell background color or text color. Simply select the desired cell and click on the top toolbar to access the background color palette. Choose the color that best suits your design. Once you're satisfied with the background color, you can change the text color by clicking on the text color toolbar icon. From there, select your preferred color. For a truly personalized look, create custom document colors that align with your brand palette. Text formatting can be easily adjusted using the toolbar icons. For bold, italic, underline, and capitalization, simply click the corresponding icons to apply the desired style to your text. Border styling is a customizable feature of Canva tables. To adjust the borders, select the table and locate the Table Borders toolbar icon. Choose the outer border option, then click on the color icon to access the color palette. Select your preferred color for the outer border. For more targeted styling, select specific cells within the table and modify their outer border color. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more design tips and tricks. Don't forget to visit my channel page for a variety of tutorials to help you level up your Canva skills.